The Premier François Legault, during his daily briefing, touched on the toll COVID-19 is taking on people's mental health and urged anyone who's struggling to reach out for help. That is an issue that some Montreal researchers are also now examining, specifically the pandemic's impact on children. Here are the details.
Then, by clenching his...
6-year-old Charlie is the study's first participant. He's donated his blood to be tested for traces of SARS-CoV-2 antibodies. Researchers are looking for nearly 3,000 more kids like him, from daycare to grade 11. They're asking parents from 4 Montreal neighborhoods to take part, starting with Beaconsfield. Parents who sign on will be sent a lancet and filter paper to collect their own children's blood samples. The lead researcher, who doubles as Charlie's mom, says the study will help figure out if a child has been infected but never knew it.
It's really about having a key piece of information of understanding the extent of transmission of coronavirus in children. So it could be really helpful in terms of decision making about prevention measures in neighborhoods and schools and in daycares.
Parents will also get a questionnaire looking at how their kids are coping.
Emotional behavior problems that the children have experienced, and since the beginning of the pandemic, what activities are they engaging in, how socially connected are they to their peers, which will help us indicate, if we're seeing a child is really having difficulties.
The study is being funded by a special task force set up by the federal government. The co-chair says what we're learning now will help us down the road.
We call this pandemic a pandemic of the century because the last big one like this was 1918, 1919. But I suspect it will not be 100 years till we have another one of these. So everything we're learning now is going to be very helpful in how we address the next one more effectively.
The first batch of results should be available at the beginning of next year. Jay Turnbull, CBC News, Montreal.